Hello everyone, welcome to Radha Rani's kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you tawa pulao, which is a very popular Mumbai street food recipe where the vegetables are sauteed together in the pav bhaji masala, and it's a very popular and tasty recipe. Let's begin. Here I have 1.5 cups of basmati rice and around 15 to 20 Kashmiri red chilies. So I have washed the rice well, and we're going to soak the rice in some water, and I'm going to soak this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And the red chilies, I'm going to de-seed them. I'm going to remove the stalk and the seeds inside them. So once you have de-seeded the red chilies, we'll add some hot water to this and soak the red chilies for about 20 minutes. So we are soaking both the basmati rice and the red chilies. 20 minutes are up. Now let's start preparing the rice. So for that, I'm going to boil the rice here. I'm adding the rice to the water, and I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder for some color along with some salt. So we're going to cook the basmati rice only till 80% because the rest 20% will be cooked while we are sauteing the rice along with the vegetables. Now take the soaked red chilies in a mixie or in a blender jar. To this, add half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black salt, and half teaspoon of homemade curry powder. If you want to know how to make this homemade curry powder, I have already made a video on that, the link for which will be in the description box below. Add a few spoons of the water in which we had soaked the red chilies. Now blend this to a fine paste. So now our chili paste is ready. Let's move on to making the vegetables. Here in a wok or kadai, I have heated up some oil to which I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, we are going to add 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds and around 1 teaspoon of finely grated ginger. Mix the red chili paste well and cook until the oil separates. Now to this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of the homemade curry powder, 2 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala, and I am going to mix this all well. So our base masala is now ready. To this I am going to add some vegetables. So here I have some colored capsicums, some carrot and cabbage. So first let's add the 1 cup of cabbage which we have shredded. Mix the masala and the cabbage well. Just pour around half cup of water. Add the remaining vegetables, half cup of capsicum, half cup of red capsicum and half cup of yellow capsicum and half cup of carrots. All of them finely sliced. Mix all of them well and add another half cup of water and some salt. Now add another half cup of green peas. Here I have taken boiled green peas. Once you have mixed all of them well, I'm going to take the juice of half a lemon, and now our masala with the vegetables have been cooked and ready. To this I'm going to add the cooked rice. So what I have done is, once the rice was cooked, I strained it and put the rice on a wide plate so that it cools completely. Once it has completely cooled, then only add the rice to the vegetables. Otherwise, while you're mixing the rice and vegetables, the rice might end up breaking. So let the rice cook on a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes until we prepare the raita for this. For the raita, I have around 1.5 cups of homemade curd, and I'm just going to beat the curd because the cream and the water in the curd would be separate. So let's just mix all of them well. To this add 1 cucumber finely chopped, and now we're going to add some spice powders to this. Around half a teaspoon of red chili powder, around half a teaspoon of cumin powder. So the combination of cumin powder in this raita is going to taste really good with the pulao. And we'll season this with some salt. Now let's mix all the masalas and the curd well. Once you have combined everything well, we'll add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And now our raita is done. So let's check on the pulao. So it's been about 7 minutes and our pulao is also ready. So now let's garnish this with some freshly chopped coriander leaves as well. And now our pulao is ready. So you can serve this pulao with the raita which we have prepared. So this is absolutely an wholesome meal which you should try, and serve this with a slice of lemon. If you like the video, please press the like button and do try this recipe and put your views in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you receive a notification. Thank you for watching.